Welcome to another edition of Your Money Minute. Today we're going to talk about the aspects that make up your credit score. Having a good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest over the life of a loan. Follow these 5 tips to keep your score at its best. First, your payment history has the most impact on your credit score. One of the best ways to strive for and maintain a high score is to pay your bills on time. Second is your credit usage, which compares the amount you owe to the total amount of credit available to you. To help keep a high score, keep your credit card balances to 30% or lower of the amount available on them. Third is the length of time your loans and credit cards have been open. The longer the accounts have been open, the better for your credit score. Make sure to always keep your oldest credit cards open when possible. Fourth is the importance of having a mix of account types. No need to take out unnecessary loans, but make sure not to open too many cards as that can lower your score. Last but not least is the number of times you have recently applied for a line of credit. Keep the number of these credit pulls to 3 or less per year. That's all for now. We'll catch you next time.